Hello all. Last time we have created a web API using .NET Core. Now we have to create the web application using Angular 9. Before that we have to save our code. I am using GitHub as my version control. Let's do it. Add to source controller, choose Git and create a local repository. Okay, it will automatically create the local repository and we can publish to GitHub. Okay, select the Git account. In my case it will be code of action and I will name it as a repository as student, maybe Angular CRUD operation, Angular CRUD app. Okay, and I'm going to make it as public and publish. Okay, now our code is completely pushed to GitHub. I will share the link. Now we can minimize this Visual Studio and we can create the Angular app. First go to the same repository where we kept our project. This is the folder where our project is located and in which we will create the Angular app. For that we have to type cmd. This will open up the command prompt. Just type ng new and student app. Okay, and they are asking like do we want the routing module? Yes, we want it. And again they are asking like which style sheet format we want. We can go for CSS. It will take some time depending upon the internet connection and system configuration. Okay, let's wait. Okay, our project is created. It shows a message like it is already skipping the version control part because our project already contains the Git files. You can see here. Just see these files, git and git ignore. Already we have a git file. Okay, now we can add our web application also into GitHub. Click changes, add Angular website is added. Okay, commit all changes, sync. Okay, now our basic project template is ready. Now we can do the other operations. Okay, first of all we have to run our app. This is our Angular app. Just type cmd. It will open another command prompt. Just type ng server to compile our application. This also takes some time. Finally our web application is compiled successfully and it will show a local URL. Let's type that. Okay, open your browser and just copy it. You will see the application. Okay, our website is running fine. Now we can make our own changes. Okay, first of all we need some ID. Okay, anyway I am closing this command prompt. I am only keeping this one in order to see whether there is an error or not. Okay, we can monitor this command prompt to see we are having an error or not. Okay, and let us open VS Code. And we have to open our project inside VS Code. Our VS Code is open and just select file and open folder and select desktop, in which video shortcut student API, student app. This is our application. Select a folder. This will open up our project inside VS Code. and now we can see inside app we can see the app component.html. okay. uh, this content is actually showing in our browser. We can edit according to our need. Just for demonstration, I am just typing h1 and giving a message welcome. Let's see it is reflecting in our website. Yes, it is working fine. Okay, now what we are doing is we want some website like adding student and removing student. All these things we need to develop. So we have to make use of any kind of Angular material like NGX, Prime NG and UI material, anything we want. For this demonstration I am only using Bootstrap. Okay, let us install Bootstrap in our application. Okay, it is actually very simple. Just type Bootstrap 4 and it will show the, yeah, just select this script and paste in your index HTML at the bottom of your application, and also include the CSS file. This is the CSS file and you have to provide it over here in the header tag. Okay, now it's working. Let us test if it is working or not. Let us add a button here. Button, slash, okay, and we can give in class equal to btn space btn hyphen primary. Okay, just save it and just refresh. Yeah, it's working. We need to give something on here. Just click. Yeah, the Bootstrap is working. Okay, anyway, we can now develop our application according to our need. First of all, I am going to create an app folder inside the app folder. Let's name it as layout. Okay, this is in this folder we will keep our layout, and let us create one more folder, name it as services. We will keep all our services here. Also we can create another one more folder called a model. Okay, all our folders are created. Let's get started. Okay, first of all we have to create a layout component, right? So open, right click and open in integrated terminal. This will open a terminal inside your VS Code. Just type it there. Okay, it will take some time. Yeah, finally available. Just clearing it, and what we are doing is we have to create a component. Just type ng generate component, C for component. Now I am adding a layout which is like landing page. Okay, it's a layout. It will create a complete component here. You can see it here, landing page, HTML, CSS and all these things. Okay, now what we can do is like we can do whatever the CSS and all these things, we can do it over here. If our application consisting of multiple layout, for example, if we want to see our website in different manner for admin and a different kind of website for user, we have to specify that layout in here. So in this particular scenario we are creating two layouts. First one for just login page and registration page, another one for admin. So let us create another layout. Just type ng generate component. This time I am giving admin. Okay, for both the layouts are created. Okay, you can see it here. And now what we can do is we can do some changes in our app component.html. Usually what we will do is like we can give a router outlet on here. This will render our pages according to our need. Okay, this router outlet. Now we want to configure something on our routing module. Open the app routing module.ts, in which the routing configurations is done. Just select route. We can specify our routing here. For time being, I am giving a path equal to null. Okay, and comma, the component will be our layout component. For example, specifically landing page component. Okay, let's see what will happen. Landing page works. Even if we don't specify anything over here, the URL landing page work. Okay, now we can design our landing page according to our need. Okay, I am going to give a login page in our landing page. Okay, so let us quickly create a login page. Just type W3 schools bootstrap and some basic form B4 form, and yeah, we can use this one. Just copy it and place it the landing page component.html. Just place it and just refresh it. See, there is a landing page. We can format this page. We can customize our according to our need. We can give headers and footers in our landing page, and we can do that. Okay, I will show you how to add header for our landing page and footer. And let us, by using Bootstrap, we can minimize the length and breadth. Okay, we can create a separate header for our admin layout and landing page. First of all, we can create a